Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert the current date or time on the Beer application into your notes. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select an already existing note in which you would like to insert the current date, or you can also create a new note by tapping on this plus icon in the right side corner of the screen down below. So if you have added your notes and you would like to add the current date, you can do this very easily by scrolling to the right side of the screen till you find this calendar icon and tap on it, and here you can insert the current date in the format that you are using or that you prefer. So you can also insert the exact time. As you can see, that's the last option. So you can insert a date individually or with the time, as I have just done, but you can also add the time individually if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.